Hello guys, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel Listen Shorts. So today I am going to talk about the new feature phone of Gfive, whose model number is u331. The inspired possibilities of this phone is that it has a 1.8-inch display, which is best for a feature phone, and it supports dual SIM, which is a good thing for a feature phone. And its battery is also fine, as the 950 mAh battery can last for a long time in this phone, and it has mp3 and mp4 as well as game and radio are also available. Moreover, it has many more features like expandable memory, LED torch, camera, etc. And the logo of self-reliant India is also on its box, mean Atmanirbhar Bharat. And now what can be better than this, that India has a phone? So by unboxing it, so how it looks and how its first impression is, cause we know first impression is last impression. Its packaging is done very well, but I forcefully opened it from above. The sticker was left at the bottom, on which it was written that if the seal is broken, then do not receive. Anyway, and let's see what is available with the phone in this box. So with it is its battery and its charger without any manual. It is very light and very cheapest phone, and there is also a sticker on its screen on which it is written that there is a warranty of 1 year and also model and multimedia phone. And when I turned it on after putting the battery in it, it was written on it the give me 5. It's means Gfive full form. Also very good looking from the back side, and its software is almost similar to the Nokia phone, and its unlock also opens like old Nokia phone. And a total of 9 applications are seen in this, in which there is also Bluetooth and browser and multimedia extras. And the MRP which is written on its box is 1999 rupees, but I got it around 800 rupees. And even before that I had ordered one which also had some battery problem, so it was found in its replacement, but maybe it will also have to be returned, because I put my SIM in it and saw that the network was not coming, neither BSNL nor Jio started. After that VI so was done in the phone, but then it came to know that speaker is very bad. So I will never recommend that you buy it. If you guys want to check it, then the link is in the description. And if you guys like this video at all, then don't forget to like the video and do subscribe the channel to see more such videos. And if you want to buy it as a torch, then you long press the 0 key, then the torch will be on. And as you guys have seen, its camera is also tremendous. So bye bye till the next video comes.